For hands-on equations, third grade students are expected to be able to do level 1. So this is what level 1 will look like. You have your blue pawns and your red numbers, which are positive numbers. This is called home base. Home base is where all of your pawns and all of your numbers are above your mat, not on your mat. So one of the ways that we do hands-on equations is by solving a picture that's given to us. So this is the current picture. Each of these blue triangles are going to represent a blue pawn. The blue pawn is going to be our variable or our letter X. The red cubes are going to be our positive numbers that go with it. So the first thing that you do is you want your mat to match whatever picture is being shown. So I'm going to put 3 blue pawns on one side, and then I'm going to put a pawn and the number 8 on the other. The goal with hands-on equations is to keep your scale balanced. So right now my scale is balanced, but I don't know what X is. So in order to solve that, I can do a legal move. The first legal move that is taught is being able to take an X or a pawn away from each side. Okay, so if I take one pawn away from this side, I have to take it away from this side in order to keep my scale balanced. I can't just take it from one side. Once I have done that, we should be able to recognize that I have a number that's alone on this side and I have 2 pawns on this side. We know that the blue pawns have to be the same value, so something plus itself has to equal 8. So at this point, we should be able to recognize that 4 plus 4 equals 8. So then I would write down that X equals 8. So each of the blue pawns equals 8. When we check ourselves, you put everything back up to match your picture again, and then you're going to plug in 4 every time you see a blue pawn or an X. So I'm just going to write 4, 4, and 4, and then 4, and I'm going to add my 8 as well. So this side, 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12, so this side equals 12. If I did this correctly, my scale should be balanced by this side also being 12. So 4 plus 8 is 12, so my scale is balanced because they both equal the same thing. So for my check, I would write 12 equals 12.